It's cold. It's too cold.
It's kind of sour. Oranges are sour, huh?
We should have seen Christian the first time we gave him a lemon.
Are you done? You're just jealous of her giving a video of him. That's funny.
And more.
What are you doing, Christian?
No. That is a really sharp knife. You will cut off all your fingers with it.
You don't need
Just
a knife
the
to cut
white
that,
stuff.
bud.
Don't really like the white stuff.
There's not much on there. You pretty much
Yeah,
got it.
bud.
You can't get it all the way off.
Well, like you were doing when you were.
Look at them though. There's still a whole bunch of white on them.
Mhm.
You got more off than I did
Yeah, we didn't
with the knife.
take all day getting it off. Took us.
We were doing hundreds of them. Okay, can you shut that off now,
Maybe.
please? I would like